Contra-angle bracket can be fixed on the main unit by magnets, and user can firmly place the contra-angle handpiece in any direction. Align the mark on the wire with the interface mark, then insert. Pull the plug outward to remove. Align the contra-angle with the motor and insert. The contra-angle can be placed on the base. Align the mark on foot pedal wire with the mark of the interface and insert. Pull the foot pedal wire outward to unplug. Connect the power cord. Align the installation hole and the bottle holder, and insert the holder into the installation hole. Turn on the water pump, and install the disposable irrigation tube to the corresponding position. Lock water pump. Please ensure that the direction of the needle of the disposable irrigation tube is facing the back of the main unit. Hang up the water bottle. Close the disposable irrigation tube clip. Insert the needle into the bottle. Connect the disposable irrigation tube and the water connector of the contra-angle. Open the air valve of the disposable irrigation tube and open the clip. Open power button. The device has 8 working modes, and each mode can be set up to 8 program steps. Click on the mode name to re-edit the working mode name. Enter a name and click OK to save. Click the corresponding position on the screen to switch the program step and display the program activity of the current program step. Under each program step, clicking the speed display area will pop up a speed setting slider, which can be adjusted by plus and minus icons, or drag the slider to adjust. Clicking on the torque display area will pop up the torque setting slider, and the torque can be adjusted by plus and minus icons, or drag the slider to adjust. When the device is working, the motor will stop rotating when the resistance exceeds the set value. Click to adjust the coolant flow. Click to set the transmission ratio, 16:1, 20:1, 27:1. Click to set the motor rotation direction. When the motor reverses, there will be DD sound continuously from the main unit. Click to set the brightness of the LED light, off, low, high. Click the program activity icon of the current program step, and a program activity selection window will pop up, with a total of 9 program activities to choose. After setting the program activity, it will automatically return to the main interface. In the free-use program activity, the transmission ratio can be set as 1:1, 16:1, 20:1, 27:1. In the rinsing program activity, the speed and torque are 0, and the coolant flow can be set. When it is set to finished program activity, the speed, torque, and coolant flow are all 0 and cannot be set. At the same time, the following program steps are all invalid program steps. Press the motor start/stop button to turn on the motor. Release the button to stop the motor rotation. Short press the water volume control button to adjust the coolant flow. Long press to activate the rinsing mode. Short press the button or click the back button on the screen to exit the rinsing mode. Double-click the water volume control button to turn off the water flow. Short press the water volume control button again to turn on the water volume. Short press the P button to switch to the next program step. And long press to switch to the previous program step. Short press the rotation direction switching button to switch the rotation direction. Click on the System Settings icon. Touch the volume adjustment slider, slide left and right to set the system volume. Touch the display brightness adjustment slider, slide left and right to set the screen brightness. Touch the LED light delay off time adjustment slider, slide left and right to set the LED light off time. Click the Restore Factory Settings icon. Choose whether to restore. The foot pedal start mode is divided into slow start and fast start. Select the fast start mode. Step on the foot pedal, the motor speed will directly reach the set maximum value. Select the slow start mode, and the output speed can be controlled by the foot pedal. The deeper the foot pedal is stepped on, the higher the motor speed will be. Only when the foot pedal is stepped on to the set position, the motor speed will reach the set maximum value. When the real-time torque is set to on, during the tapping, placing implant and setting a closure cap program steps, release the motor start/stop button, and the real-time torque curve in this step will pop up. When the real-time torque is set to off, the real-time torque curve will not pop up during the program step operation. You can click the torque curve icon to view the torque output curve after the operation. Users can export real-time torque curve data by inserting USB flash disk. Click the Save icon on the upper left of the graph, and enter the password 1234 to export the data to the flash disk. Connect the contra angle and the motor, and install the burr to the contra angle. Hold the contra angle tightly or put it on a stable base. Open the system settings, click the contra angle calibration icon. Select Yes to calibrate, and automatically exit after the calibration is completed. Hold the motor firmly or put it on a stable base. Open the system settings. Click the motor calibration icon, select Yes to calibrate, and automatically exit after the calibration is completed. First, take out the fuse box with a flathead screwdriver. Use a flat blade screwdriver to push the fuse out downwards. Snap the new fuse into the fuse box from below. Then push the fuse box into the main unit.